Hey Python coders, choosing the right IDE can make or break your coding experience. I've used both Thonny and Pycharm, and today I'm here to help you pick which one's right for you. Let's dive in. First up, we have Thonny. It's a lightweight open source IDE designed for beginners. Thonny's clean interface keeps things simple with a focus on learning Python. Key features include a built-in debugger, step-by-step code execution, and a variable inspector to track data changes. It's pre-installed with Python on some systems, making setup a breeze. However, it struggles with large projects and lacks advanced features for complex workflows. Now, Pycharm, developed by JetBrains. It's a powerful feature-rich IDE for professional Python developers. Pycharm offers intelligent code completion, robust debugging, Git integration, and support for web frameworks like Django. Its extensive plugin ecosystem lets you customize everything. On the downside, it's resource-heavy, has a steeper learning curve, and the professional edition requires a paid subscription. So, how do they stack up? Thonny shines for beginners with its simplicity and educational tools, but it's limited for advanced projects. Pycharm is overkill for newbies, but ideal for pros tackling complex code bases. If you're learning Python, start with Thonny. For data science, web dev, or large projects, Pycharm's your go-to. Check out our comparison chart for details. That's it, guys. Thonny for beginners and Pycharm for pros. Which IDE fits your needs? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and happy coding!